Welcome to my yummy cooking hyderabadi YouTube channel. Let's start our tasty video. Let's begin. What to drink after eating spicy food. 8 best drinks to pair with spicy food. If you found this useful, give our video a share, subscribe, like, comment, and tap the bell icon to get notified about all my cooking related new videos. What to drink after eating spicy food. 8 best drinks to pair with spicy food. Description: embark on a fiery culinary journey with bold spices, and let the perfect beverage accompany you through this exhilarating experience. While alcoholic drinks often steal the spotlight in pairing discussions, there's a diverse array of non-alcoholic options that beautifully complement spicy cuisine, from classic coolers to exotic infusions. Here are 8 beverages guaranteed to elevate your spicy food adventure. Whether you crave the refreshing zest of citrus or the tropical allure of coconut, these drinks will take your taste buds on a delightful journey, leaving them tingling with satisfaction. Here's to savoring spice in all its flavorful glory. What to drink after eating spicy food. 8 best drinks to pair with spicy food. 1. Chill out with iced mint tea. 1. Iced mint tea. Description: after diving into a spicy feast, cool down your palate with the refreshing and invigorating notes of iced mint tea. The subtle sweetness of the tea combined with the minty freshness provides a soothing contrast to the heat, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. What to drink after eating spicy food. 8 best drinks to pair with spicy food. 2. Tropical vibes with coconut water. 2. Coconut water. Description: quench your thirst and balance the heat of spicy cuisine with the natural hydrating powers of coconut water. Its subtle sweetness and tropical flavor profile make it the perfect companion for fiery dishes, providing essential electrolytes to keep you feeling cool and hydrated. What to drink after eating spicy food. 8 best drinks to pair with spicy food. 3. Revitalize with a cucumber lime cooler. 2. Cucumber lime cooler. Description: crisp and revitalizing. A cucumber lime cooler is the ultimate antidote to spice overload. Blend fresh cucumber with zesty lime juice and a touch of sweetness for a hydrating beverage that perfectly complements the bold flavors of spicy food. What to drink after eating spicy food. 8 best drinks to pair with spicy food. 4. Dynamic duo ginger lemonade. 4. Ginger lemonade. Description: kick up your beverage game with the dynamic duo of ginger and lemonade. The warming heat of ginger balances out the spice while the tangy lemon refreshes your palate, leaving you feeling invigorated and ready for another round of spicy delights. What to drink after eating spicy food. 8 best drinks to pair with spicy food. 5. Sparkling citrus splash. Sparkling water with citrus. 5. Sparkling water with citrus. Description: cleanse your palate between fiery bites with the effervescent and revitalizing combination of sparkling water and citrus. Whether it's lemon, lime, or orange, the citrusy twist adds a burst of flavor that harmonizes beautifully with the heat, offering a refreshing contrast with every sip. What to drink after eating spicy food. 8 best drinks to pair with spicy food. 6. Tart and tangy hibiscus iced tea. 6. Hibiscus iced tea. Description: treat your senses to a visually stunning beverage with the vibrant and floral flavors of hibiscus iced tea. Its tart and tangy profile refreshes your palate and provides a delightful counterpoint to spicy dishes, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. What to drink after eating spicy food. 8 best drinks to pair with spicy food. 7. Indulge in creamy mango lassi. 7. Mango lassi. Description: transport yourself to the streets of India with a creamy and indulgent mango lassi made with ripe mangoes, yogurt, and a hint of cardamom. This beloved beverage offers a sweet and tangy flavor profile that soothes the palate after indulging in spicy fare. What to drink after eating spicy food. 8 best drinks to pair with spicy food. 8. Tropical Paradise Pineapple Coconut Smoothie. 8. Pineapple Coconut Smoothie. Description: escape to a tropical paradise with a refreshing pineapple coconut smoothie. Blending fresh pineapple with creamy coconut milk and a splash of lime juice creates a creamy and refreshing beverage that perfectly complements the bold flavors of spicy cuisine, leaving you feeling like you're lounging on a beach with every sip. If found this useful, give our video a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please check my other cooking videos from playlists. Bye for now. Keep watching, keep cooking. Thank you once again for your support.